Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Saurambai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Government doctors ask parents to ensure that children take all the required vaccination to prevent from being infected by diseases. Garo media criticizes SSA teachers, president of Garo Hills, for unpalatable language used against them. And 200 Indian students arrived in New Delhi from war-torn Ukraine. And now the news in detail. The government doctors today asked the parents to ensure that the children get all the required vaccinations so that they are free from the various diseases. Speaking to the media, the pediatrician Dr. Yaines Kemlungdo Mauplang spoke on the importance of vaccination, which will prevent the children from developing various diseases. Dr. Yaines Kemlungdo Mauplang also said vaccination will prevent from being infected by 12 diseases. Speaking on the occasion, additional DHMO Dr. S. Kongla said the government has fixed vaccination target to be achieved within the stipulated time. On the other hand, Dr. Liza Kharmuti asked the general public to ensure that pregnant women and children take the pneumococcal vaccination.
No child should be left without vaccination.
Kini kumbaong imam ne larangi ai miu tika lani immunization vaccines kila kidon ki khulung ki bala bandon jing shit teki mi pa kimri penting ba ong alayo jing shit na tada ngamni asyuk tika ba kidon ka artli jing pang ki ba dei ki daw jong ka jing yap jing khulung ta ki ka TB ka meningitis ka pneumonia ka diphtheria ka jerhoxol lani ka whooping cough ka Japanese encephalitis, ka tetanus, ka polio, kanyang persit, jing tenhiar, jing pangsten.
The SSA teachers of Meghalaya yesterday organized a mass rally in Tura, the district headquarters of West Garo Hills district, to demand payment of their pending salary. The rally started from Tetengaja field and converged at the DC office. The rally passed off peacefully. The Garo media were very perturbed with the president of the association, LG Momin, who refused to speak to the media after the meeting. They also criticized Momin for the unpalatable language that he used to the media.
Hardships ko, ansing tingtang masa dol maharang ko namin irregular wani ko ansing managda abat sing ha. Oni gaman batang gaman somay rang oba ansing dakapan ko chagong kenci mo oba daw una batul gapa ansing ni chagong na nanganirang ko una batul gapa ning ganirang ansing man roruing ha. Ansing ni ning ganirang SSA teacher ni Meghalaya ning ganirang salsa batte namen namjar roruing namen ansing ning batro wani ko chagong na nanginga. Andi ki ongingon da alo ansing ni really yano machot chawa. Da alo beben ansing do yano really ko da alo ni really ko da ansing yano dontonggen. Andi ba andak menting somayo ansing tentang manca ansing ni kosak patao jubatao dongba Prime Minister Honorable Prime Minister na ansing lekha ko da alo na skhainga.
200 Indian students who studied in the war-torn Ukraine have arrived at Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi as part of the Operation Ganga of the Government of India. They were welcomed by the Union Minister of State for Chemical and Fertilizers. Speaking to these students, the minister said the government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi will make out all efforts to bring back all the Indians from the war-torn Ukraine. The Joint Action Committee of 4 villages belonging to Maulinkdeng, Umlakhar, Umdok Halom, Umdok Khathem under Nongpo constituency in Ribhoi district today organized the awareness program on preservation of environment. This program was held at Umlakhar village. The program was participated by officials of wildlife, fishery and police departments. The program was witnessed by Nongpo MLA Mirabons A, village headman, residents and students of Umlakhar Presbyterian Secondary School.
Kiseng samla kiseng longkumi kadi kapor kabing hap tengkai hap sumar baha kani kamariang kabau bleu lai kerpa kijing sneng kijing kentu giba kini ka officer lande panong tik giba kelar ka kinji chupu hukum jong Bible kitab Exodus lenong ka arpho khot ka balai sedang ki chupu hukum ter pule piatu de wat nom kumta wat nom tu wat nom klim wat nom sakilam ler ter itu ki hukum tik kalau ngumta ki an uble ulasna kecu iki hukum begini
The Wayajer Yaupensin, a community market centre in Jaintia Hills district, today caught fire at around 12:30 p.m., gutting around 40 individual stalls in the process. The cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained. Witnesses reported that it was only after they saw billows of smoke emanating from a section of the market that they realized it was on fire. By then, close to 40 stalls had been consumed by the flames. Shri Jameson Sindram, Assistant Secretary of the market, who was one of the first to see the fire, reported the incident to the fire brigade. They managed to put out the fire and save what remained of the market. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.